Is rolling TSP into Roth IRA worth it? Understand the tax implications. Federal employees and service members often ask, is rolling TSP into Roth IRA worth it? The decision can unlock tax-free growth and flexibility, but it comes with important tax considerations. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Know the accounts. Traditional TSP, pre-tax contributions, taxed on withdrawal. Roth TSP, after-tax contributions, tax-free withdrawals. Roth IRA, after-tax contributions, tax-free growth, and no required minimum distributions, RMDs. 2. Why rollover? More investment choices. Roth IRAs offer broader investment options than TSP. No RMDs. Unlike traditional TSP, Roth IRAs don't force withdrawals at 73. Estate planning. Roth IRAs can pass to heirs tax-free. Tax-free growth. Qualified withdrawals are completely tax-free. 3. The tax catch. Rolling a traditional TSP into a Roth IRA is treated as taxable income. For example, converting $100,000 adds that amount to your taxable income for the year, potentially raising your tax bracket, Medicare premiums, or reducing credits. 4. When it makes sense, you're in a low tax bracket now. You expect to be in a higher bracket later. You want to avoid RMDs. You're planning wealth transfer to heirs. 5. How to reduce the tax hit. Convert gradually over several years. Pay taxes with outside funds instead of dipping into retirement savings. Time the rollover in years with lower income. 6. Easier option. Roth TSP to Roth IRA. If you already have a Roth TSP, rolling it to a Roth IRA is usually tax-free. If H and 5-year rules are met, this move mainly helps eliminate future RMDs. So, is rolling TSP into Roth IRA worth it? It depends on your tax situation, retirement goals, and timing. For many, the long-term benefits of tax-free growth and flexibility outweigh the short-term tax cost. Always consult a tax advisor before making the move. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.